we expect you to watch this video as well. This is going to be a very simple business card. Please watch it very well. Learn all the steps, learn all the techniques used in you creating this business card, and then try as much as you can to follow the process and then copy them down so that you can create yours. Every day I keep telling you that try and also subscribe to the channel, like and share, comment, and let us know what you're thinking, because you are the reason why we are creating this content. Also, your likes, subscription, and share of this content is going to help us have our content rightly and properly ranked, so that it encourages us to continue creating you very good content. We are here to serve you with only good content, so your opinion is welcome to make our work more efficient to your needs. Kindly subscribe again, share, and like, comment, and let us know what you're thinking so that we can give out the best. Thank you. Now let's begin. Check what I'm doing, and then I duplicate it again, and then give it this color again. I need to power clip this inside. Now, what do? Let's move to adding the content. I have all my content here. The reason why I do this is that I don't want to make any of the videos too long to make you bored. Like, it will be boring if the video is too long. What I'll do is that I place my logo here, and then I have my name here, the name of the card holder here. I need to change this a bit. Now let's design the back side of it. Let me get this copy it, bring it here. Now let me get a logo here. I want to export it. This is quite a short one. Let me get rid of the outline here and then press Ctrl E to export it. This is 53. That's short for BusinessCAD 53. You can give it any name you want. Now I do this. I'm done. Let me go and get to export the back side of it. Double click on the rectangle to press on the pick tool and press P. Now I get rid of the outline, and then as usual I do this, and always remember to make this unique from the previous one in order not to override it. Now we are done. This is what we have created so far. That's the front side of it. Very, very beautiful, clean and so. This is the back side of it. Please subscribe, share, and like. Comment also. Let's know your opinion and see how best we can satisfy you more with very good content.